Hello everyone, my name is Markan Hamis and today we're going to talk about one of the most simplest and commonly used methods in accounting for spreading cost of an asset over its useful life, which is the straight line depreciation method. So, so what is straight line depreciation method ba? So straight line depreciation method is a method of calculating depreciation where the same method of expense is recorded every year over its useful life of an asset. So it simply means that the asset's losses value equally every year. So just like drawing a straight line, straight horizontal line when you graph depreciation over time. So that's why it is called straight line. So what is the purpose of straight line depreciation? So the straight line method is used for several reasons. First is the simplicity. So from the word itself, simple. So it is the easiest way of depreciating. It is the simplest way to depreciation method to compute and apply. Second is the consistency. It spreads the depreciation evenly, making financial statements predictable. The third one is matching principle. So it helps match the cost of using the assets with the revenue it generates each year. And lastly, commonly accepted. So many businesses use this method because it is widely understood and acceptable under accounting standards. So before I give you some examples, so let us know first the formula for the straight line depreciation method. So the formula is annual depreciation expenses or kanang what we call this, the purchase price of an object that you bought. In it is equals to the cost of assets minus the salvage value, which is the expected value at the end of its useful life, all over the useful life. So which is useful life is the how long the assets will be used. The example na ako hang isolve for you to understand properly the straight line method calculation. So example is a company bought a computer for 40,000. It expects the computer to have a useful life for 4 years and a salvage value of 4,000. Calculate the annual depreciation using the straight line method. So the first step that you should do is to subtract the salvage value from the cost. So step 1 is 40,000 pesos minus the salvage value, which is the 4,000 pesos, is equals to 36,000. And then after subtracting, divide the answer to the useful life niya, which is the 4 years. So step 2 ni mo baton is divide 36,000 divided by 4. So ang imo rin makuha ani is that the annual depreciation expense per year. So divide, so ato siyang i-divide. So 36,000 all over 4. So answer niya is 9,000 per year siya mag-depreciate. So 9,000 pesos ang iya ang annual depreciation. So yun na lagi siya ka-easy guys. So mas better nga kanang ano nimo kanang mas better nga straight line ang imong gamiton para makuha nimo pinakas easy and simply ang imong problem nga imong gina try og solve. Thank you for watching.